Design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving deep into the art of crafting a luxury living room, a space that radiates sophistication and comfort at home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Many perceive luxury as unattainable, but I'm here to dispel that myth and provide practical, actionable advice. Let's begin by defining what truly constitutes luxury living room decor. It's not merely about expensive items. It's about creating an atmosphere of refined elegance. Luxury in this context means a well-curated space that harmonizes high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and personal style. It's about achieving a sense of timelessness, where every element contributes to an overall feeling of opulence and comfort. This can be achieved through a balance of texture, color, and form, ensuring that the living room feels both grand and inviting. Now, why invest in a luxury living room? The benefits extend far beyond aesthetics. Firstly, a well-designed luxury living room elevates your overall living experience. It provides a sanctuary for relaxation and entertainment, a space where you can unwind and host guests with pride. Secondly, it significantly increases the value of your home. A beautifully designed living room becomes a focal point, leaving a lasting impression on potential buyers. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, luxury decor fosters a sense of well-being. Surrounding yourself with quality and beauty can positively impact your mood and daily life. It's an investment in your comfort and happiness. The most common question I encounter is, how can I achieve a luxury look on a limited budget? It's entirely possible. Start by focusing on key focal points. Instead of replacing everything, consider updating a few key pieces. For example, invest in a high-quality rug or a statement lighting fixture. Reupholstering existing furniture with luxurious fabrics can also make a significant difference. Pay attention to details like hardware, pillows, and throws. Incorporating metallic accents, such as gold or brass, can instantly elevate the space. Remember, it's about strategic upgrades rather than wholesale changes. Decluttering is also essential. A clean, organized space inherently feels more luxurious. Utilizing mirrors to enhance the sense of space and light is another budget-friendly trick. Let's discuss the essential items that contribute to a luxury living room, with a bit more detail to help you envision them in your own space. 1. Statement lighting. Forget the standard overhead fixture. We're talking about chandeliers, with cascading crystals that catch and refract light, creating a dazzling display. Or consider pendant lights with hand-blown glass shades, their organic shapes adding an artistic element. Designer floor lamps, like those with sculptural brass bases and linen shades, can anchor a corner and provide a warm, ambient glow. The right lighting is transformative, setting the mood and highlighting the room's best features. 2. High-quality rugs. A luxury rug isn't just floor covering. It's a tactile experience. Imagine sinking your feet into a hand-knotted Persian rug with intricate patterns and rich colors, or a plush, high-pile wool rug that adds a sense of warmth and comfort. These rugs serve as a foundation, defining the space and adding a layer of sophistication. Consider the texture, pattern, and material to find a rug that complements your overall design. 3. Velvet or silk upholstery. The feel of velvet or silk against your skin is undeniably luxurious. Opt for a velvet sofa in a deep jewel tone, like emerald green or sapphire blue, to create a focal point. Silk cushions with subtle sheen, can add a touch of elegance to armchairs or ottomans. These fabrics not only look exquisite, but also add a sense of tactile richness to the room. 4. Large mirrors. Mirrors are more than just reflective surfaces. They're tools for enhancing space and light. A large ornate mirror above a fireplace can create a dramatic focal point, reflecting the room and making it appear larger. Consider a series of smaller, framed mirrors to create a gallery wall that adds depth and visual interest. Strategically placed mirrors can bounce light around the room, making it feel brighter and more airy. 5. Art and sculpture. Original artwork or carefully selected sculptures add personality and sophistication. A large abstract painting can serve as a conversation starter, while a bronze sculpture on a pedestal can add a touch of timeless elegance. Choose pieces that reflect your personal style and interests, creating a curated collection that tells a story. 6. Custom window treatments. Tailored drapes or blinds enhance privacy and add a refined touch. Floor-to-ceiling drapes in luxurious fabrics like silk or linen create a sense of grandeur, while Roman shades with intricate patterns add a touch of understated elegance. Custom window treatments ensure a perfect fit and finish, elevating the overall look of the room. 7. Metallic accents. Gold, brass, or silver accents in hardware, frames, or decorative objects add a touch of glamour. Consider brass picture, frames, gold-finished side tables, or silver-plated decorative bowls. These metallic accents catch the light and add a subtle sparkle, creating a sense of opulence. 8. Fireplace, both real or electric. A fireplace, whether real or electric, creates a cozy and luxurious focal point. The warmth and ambience of a fire create a sense of comfort and relaxation. A marble fireplace surround adds a touch of classic elegance, while a modern minimalist fireplace can add a contemporary touch. 9. Designer throw pillows. High-quality throw pillows with intricate designs and luxurious fabrics add comfort and style. Think velvet pillows with embroidered details, silk pillows with tassel accents, or faux fur pillows for a touch of texture. These pillows add a layer of comfort and visual interest, tying together the color scheme and adding a touch of personality. Integrated technology. Seamlessly integrated smart home technology, such as automated lighting or sound systems, adds a modern touch of luxury. 1. Imagine controlling your lighting, temperature, and entertainment system with a single touch or voice command. This technology not only enhances convenience, but also adds a sleek, modern aesthetic to the room. 2. Summarize. Creating a luxury living room is about thoughtful design, quality materials, and strategic upgrades. You don't need an unlimited budget to achieve a sophisticated and elegant space. By focusing on key elements, incorporating luxurious fabrics and finishes, and paying attention to detail, you can transform your living room into a haven of opulence. Thank you for joining us on Interior Decor Designs. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite luxury living room decor ideas. Until next time, happy decorating.